CIA operatives like Jerry Daniels worked hand in glove with General Vang Pao. General Vang Pao was Hmong, an ethnic group much persecuted by the dominant culture. They were sometimes called barbarians or Mao, a holdover from the Chinese who chased them out of their country. The United States and General Vang Pao essentially ran the northern part of the secret war together. They were a powerful team.
We Hmong people didn't know why we were in this war and for what reasons. General Vang Pao sent word to the village heads to recruit soldiers. When we got to Padang for training, they taught us how to use knives for war. There were two goals. One goal was to protect the country from the Pathet Lao. The second goal was to help the Americans, but we didn't know why we were helping them.
While the special guerrilla units were in the midst of unforgiving hand-to-hand combat, air support and aerial assaults piled up more damage against the North Vietnamese and Pathet Lao. The Royal Lao Army supplied pilots, while the Americans supplied flight training and the T-28 planes used in battle. The CIA's Air America, a so-called charter airline, along with a secret group of officially unofficial U.S. Air Force pilots called the Ravens, provided forward air support. They spotted the enemy, relayed positions, and asked the T-28s to go after them. Radar and satellite tracking were crucial to air operations. Only in recent years has the U.S. acknowledged an isolated installation called Lima Site 85. To the Hmong who called the area home, it was Pupati. Lima Site 85 was run by the U.S. Air Force, the only place in Laos where Air Force personnel are publicly known to have served during the secret war. More than half of all bombing operations against North Vietnam were guided by Lima Site.